How can conventional brick-and-mortar retailers set themselves apart from the competition during and after a pandemic? This is a broad topic, but one answer to this question may be in the sanitization process of shopping carts. Alliance Manufacturing, with over 25 years of expertise in cleaning and sanitizing equipment, has recently developed the FlexSafe cart sanitizer to help increase in-store traffic by making shopping cart handling safe and efficient. Retailers need to be prepared to make in-store visits as safe and convenient as possible to combat the influx of online buying. Burdens have been placed on the shopper, self-bag, self-check, and now wipe your cart have been added to the customer to-do list. If we ask too much of the in-person shopper, added to the growing fears and anxiety about the spread of germs, customers may limit their in-store purchases to curbside pickup or grab and go, which reduces the potential for unexpected and impulse purchases that the customer may have otherwise made. There has always been an awareness of bacteria, viruses, and other germs which might be present on a shopping cart that others have used and touched. Pre-COVID, it was common to see stores providing sanitizing wipes for the customers to wipe down their cart prior to use. Again, another burden was placed on the shopper, and the consumption of single-use wipes has created a waste problem in and of itself. Now it is common to see employees stationed in the cart bay wiping down the carts, but this adds a labor burden when their time could be better used in other ways. We are now pleased to offer in-store customers a shopping cart that has been consistently sanitized by a machine-controlled process. The FlexSafe cart sanitizer is designed to sanitize frequently used shopping carts for high-traffic, high-volume store environments. FlexSafe is patent pending, so it is different from other available products. Here's how it works. 1. Carts are pushed into the sanitizing lane either manually or with a cart pusher. 2. The movable gantry sprays the carts with an EPA-approved food-safe sanitizing agent, while the expandable bellows contains everything within the unit. 3. After the gantry is fully extended, the high-velocity blow-off system strips excess sanitizing agent from the carts as it retracts back to the home position. 4. The system is then ready for the next batch of carts to be processed. Sanitized carts are pushed out and replaced with soiled carts. Fits existing store layouts. FlexSafe is designed to fit directly into your existing cart corral or cart lobby, whether a pass-through or dead-end layout. Flexible configurations. The name FlexSafe refers to the unit's ability to be flexible in length and process configuration. No special handling. FlexSafe does not require any special handling by the cart attendant, and it's simple to operate. Carts are pushed through the machine as they would normally flow through the lobby. FlexSafe is intended to be operated by the cart attendant instead of placing the burden on the customer. Machine consistency. A machine is consistent and can perform a repeatable process of sanitizing and drying, as opposed to an inconsistent manual process. It can thoroughly process carts in a fraction of the time of an individual, saving on labor costs. FlexSafe can even be used for other communal wheeled devices such as airport luggage dollies or hospital wheelchairs. EPA-approved sanitizer. With FlexSafe, you get the efficacy of EPA-approved products that are designed to kill coronaviruses and other harmful germs. Other technologies, like UV lights, are not EPA-approved. Peace of mind. Your customers will see a unique machine in your cart lobby designed for their personal safety. This may relieve the fear and anxiety that comes from an in-person visit to the store. Knowing that you are taking the extra steps for the customer says a lot about your business.
I'm Ken Mananen, President of Alliance Manufacturing, Inc. At Alliance, we've made it our mission to be the leading provider of automated parts cleaning systems and sanitizing equipment. We've worked very hard during these difficult times in the fight against COVID and other communicable diseases, and we've produced an exclusive system to help in the fight against current and future threats. Thank you for your interest in the FlexSafe systems. For more information, please contact us today.